Welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix apps crashing and freezing on TECNO Spark 20 Pro Plus. So if you are experiencing this kind of issue with many different apps on your smartphone, then what you have to do is open Google Play Store and tap on your accounts icon, go to Manage Apps and Device, and go right here to Apps Update and check for available updates. Once the updates are installed, before we restart the troublesome application, let's restart the smartphone. Hold down the power button, select Restart, and wait until your device is restarted. After the device is restarted, let's wait until the entire system is reloaded once again, and let's try to open our troublesome application. In my case, it's gonna be the Subway Surfers. So it's not troublesome, it's working fine, but we just have to pretend that it's not. So if your troublesome application still isn't working correctly, then what you have to do is hold your finger down on it on the home screen, then tap App Info, go to Storage and Cache, and tap Clear Cache at the bottom. Then reopen the app, and if it's still glitching, go back and clear the storage too. This might clear your account's data, so you may need to re-sign in to this application and give it the permissions once again. But generally it has to fix your app, and if your app is still not fixed, then as last resort we can hold the finger down on it on the home screen, tap Uninstall, tap OK, go to Google Play Store, search for it, open the search field and search for the application we want to reinstall. Tap Install, wait until the application is reinstalled. After the reinstallation, you will download and install the most recent version of this application. It has to start working on your smartphone, and if not, make sure that you are connected to the Wi-Fi. Tap the gear icon. First swipe down to the control center, then tap the gear icon to open settings. Scroll down to System Settings, and in System Settings, check your system update. Oops, not the local one, but online update. And just check for available updates. They also include some security updates that are crucial for running applications properly. And if you have an application, then take your time to download and install it, then restart your smartphone and relaunch your troublesome application. And one last thing that I want to mention in this video that also might be the issue is the battery manager. So go to Battery Lab, open battery saving settings. Here you'll find power saving management for apps. Select your troublesome application if it's in the top part of the list and set no restrictions to it, and then try launching it once again. And this time there surely will be no issues with that app. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.